Her har vi jo en materiel nød, men den andlige nøden i Sverige er jo endnu større end hvad den materielle nøden er her, tycker jag. Whenever I go back to Sweden, I meet my colleagues. They're complaining every year more and more about the bureaucracy, paperwork. They're drowning. The whole system suffocates, I think. The cultural shock is more severe than coming here. You have nothing to talk with people, and people are very, occupied with their own things. Back home, everybody is so occupied with themselves and to realize their own goals. So. Havde jeg ikke været gift med Sinead, så har jeg aldrig været her. Det er helt sikkert. Og jeg har været en helt anden menneske. Det. Jeg har haft jeg tror, et tråkigt og... det er jo så mycket, men Etiopien her, det har givet mig så mycket livserfarenhed. Jeg havde levet et vanligt Svenssonliv hemma med sommerstykke, båt og skal vi bygge veranda, glasveranda og sauna og det tror jeg var det som hade optaget mit liv. Ny bil. Sådana saker. Optager folk hemma för det mesta. Now we have this lady, this young girl. She came some years ago to the hospital. She came like this, presented with the clothes to cover the mouth, and this was how she was presented. This is a tumor of the tongue, slow growing tumor of the tongue, and still I cannot understand how could she eat, how could she breathe during sleep. I had to remove the tongue, but then the problem was that after that the jaw was deformed by the pressure from the tumor. Yeah, so I had to remove part of the jaw. And she was so brave. She was never complaining, not crying. This is when she came to remove the external fixation. She 3 months after surgery, and you see she looks tired. So I asked her, "You look tired," and she had been walking 11 hours by foot. And then now it's removed. I think this is 1 year after surgery. She came back to say hello. Ah! Who is she? Who is she? Adam. real reward. It's worth more than all the money in the world.
Tenta di finire, Tito.
We could learn a lot from this culture. I admire people here, really.
Ini